Today's featured car is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle LS5 convertible with a 4-speed. And this one I filmed at the Mecum Classic Car Auction in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas on November 1st, 2025. And it was lot number S150, S150. If you want to take a look at it, you can go to the Mecum site and get more pictures and more info on it. But it sold for $112,750. And I'll read off the Mecum listing for it. Odometer reads 63,510 miles, and 454 LS5 engine, a 4-speed, meticulous restoration, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, 12-bolt rear end, power steering, Willwood 4-wheel power disc brakes, which were upgraded, vintage air, which was added, cowl induction hood, power-operated black vinyl top with glass back window. And like I said, this one sold for $112,750 on Saturday, November 1st at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth 2025 auction in Fort Worth, Texas. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.